No one enjoys the expense and inconvenience of having their vehicle serviced, and if major repairs are required, your stress levels can go through the roof. Don't worry, we're here to help. We'll get you in and out as quickly as possible, and we won't try to rope you into costly, unnecessary repairs. Our professional staff will make sure you're fully informed of what work needs to be done on your vehicle and why, and will help you prioritize based on your budget. We have years of experience diagnosing, servicing, and repairing all makes and models. Our shop is equipped with the latest technology, and our certified auto technicians undergo continual training to keep up with the latest advances. We stand behind our work 100% and will always go the extra mile to keep you happy and earn your business for years to come. Contact us today.